Well, here we are. This is, of course, Linux Mint. But which one is it? Well, it's Cinnamon. Yeah, it is. It's Gigi. I've actually got it installed. Now, what I had to do was I had to install Faye first. Yeah, number 6 first before I could get LMDE 7 in. So I had to alter the repositories around and then upgrade from there. The only problem is it's really weird. I'm using a 6.612 now. I'm using, but of course with the USB, it just didn't pick up that I've got a display. Didn't pick up that I've got NVIDIA. It said that it can read that I've got NVIDIA, but it cannot display it. It was bloody weird. I thought, right, I'm going to have to do some checks. So I carried on downloading different ones and checking the SHA-256 number and whatever, and everything was fine on all of them. Tried them all out, all the different ones that I had downloaded, still nothing going through the USB. I thought, for God's sake, tried 3 different USBs, still didn't want to know. Still did not want to know at all. Thought, well, okay, right, let's install Faye first. Yeah, LMDE 6 first, and then upgrade from that. Why is it? That's got a lower down kernel. Yeah, it was able to install all right and actually display a picture off of the USB. Whereas the new one, LMDE 7, didn't want to know whatsoever. Okay, I was in 1024 by 768, but yeah, what the hell's going on? So I've got 5, I think it's 5, 4, 3 different kernels I've got on here now. I've got the latest from LMDE 7 from Debian Trixie, and I got the other one on here as well. When I log in, I've got to put in startx, and then it comes on up. I didn't think I was going to be able to do that because of the NVIDIA drivers, but yeah, it done it. And it was like, well, okay, well, if you're going to boot up like that, then we'll do that then. And that's what I've done. This is on my other computer because I've now got a new mic stand. I've got a F-Fine B66, lovely profile one, so I can switch between my 2 computers and just use the one Go XLR. One day I will get the other one set up, but that might be for another day. That might be for another room, actually. Completely different other room, and do videos on another computer. I don't know yet. I don't know at all. We shall see. So there we have it. So I've got everything I need to get this sorted out to how I kind of like it. I would like to do some gaming on here, although I don't think it'll be up to the task. I don't know. But then I'm recording in NVENC straight away. No messing whatsoever. Recording in AV1. And everything's tickety-boo. Fantastic. So, yeah, I'm recording the audio through my other computer. So I'm recording the audio separately. So all this is recording is the picture itself. All right, so it's pretty still at the moment because I haven't done anything. So like I say, I've got all my files here. I'm not going to bore you with what I do to set it on up. That was completely bloody boring. It's down to you and the way that you want it. I've only got 1 terabyte drive on here at the moment. I'm thinking about upgrading it to me 2 terabyte one that I bought the other week. Not sure yet. I might just keep that as a spare. I mean, what's it matter? It doesn't matter for as long as you're storing. If you're using it for gaming, as long as you're storing your games on other drives, you should be all right. I've got a 2 terabyte M.2 that I store my games on, so it doesn't matter. So yeah, so that'd be 3 computers I have for gaming then. 3 operating systems that I'll be using for gaming. I've got Cashy OS, that's still running fine on this and my other computer, which is recording this audio at the moment. And I've got Ubuntu on there as well. You know, fantastic. All our different drives, of course. Bloody brilliant. And I've got this on here. I just wanted to try this out. Would like to try this out for gaming on. I should be able to get it sorted on out for that, and it should be pretty tickety-boo to do. So, I'm going to set this up to how I usually have it. I shall see you in about an hour or so. Bye for now. Okie dokie then. Well, I've got Plank installed now, so if we go to download, you'll see that it's for Debian, debian.deb. If I go into terminal here, I don't know, I'll put in, because no doubt it's got Neo Fetch in it. Yep, there we go. LMDE 7 Gigi. There we are. 612.48 Deb 13. There we go. Got it installed finally. And like I say, I had to upgrade it. From LMDE 6. But other than that, it's working. It's working tremendously. Yeah, everything's just tickety-boo. Put my own themes in and whatever. Plank reloaded in. I just used an old set of pictures for it to read out a thingy, and yeah, just have it set up. Put me settings in, signed in with Firefox, and everything's tickety-boo with that. No problem at all. Got everything on there that I need. So next thing to do is to get this sorted out for gaming. It should be pretty easy, really. So yeah, so there you have it. Sorted out now. I've just got to sort the top panel out. That shouldn't take long at all. Good security thing, actually, having the login screen as a TTY, so I'm not too bothered about that. Also, the fact that even if I do log out, would it go into a TTY, I wonder? I haven't tried that. It seemed to be not having a thingy in for some reason. Maybe I have to adjust that. I'll have to have a look. Anyway, that is it from me. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.